Dear students, money is the most important discovery of modern times. It is the foundation stone around which all the economic activities revolve. It is very difficult to imagine the modern economic life without money. It is the basic necessity of all economies. What is money? Money has been defined differently by different economists. According to Walker, money is what money does. പണം ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്താണോ അതാണ് പണം. The most acceptable definition of money can be stated in terms of all functions of money. According to Crowther, money can be defined as anything which is generally accepted as a means of exchange and at the same time act as a measure and store of value. That is, anything which is used as a medium of exchange, store of value, measure of value, and standard of deferred payments is called money. According to law, money is what the law says it is. Legally, money can be of two types. Legal tender money. It means money under the law of land or country. The government issues an order stating what is money and that becomes legal tender money. Currency notes and coins are legal tender money. It is also called fiat money because it serves as money on the order of the government. Non-legal tender money. It is optional and voluntary money which is generally accepted as money on the basis of trust. Example, check, demand deposits, etc. It is also known as fiduciary money because it is accepted as money on the basis of trust. Money supply. It refers to the stock of money held by the public at a point of time in an economy. The money supply of an economy at any point of time is the total amount of money in circulation. Money supply consists of two components, currency components and deposit components. Currency component. It consists of coins and paper currency. Coins. The metallic coins are issued by the monetary authority of the country with the central government of the country. The metals used in coins has no significance and these coins are used as token coins since their face value is much greater than its metal value. Paper currency. It is the most important part of money supply. The central bank in every country has monopoly right of issuing currency. The central bank is permitted to issue notes to any extent provides a minimum reserve in the form of gold and foreign securities. Deposit component. Demand deposits are also the most important component of money supply. These are the money deposits made by the depositor to the bank. Measures of money supply. The Reserve Bank of India has presented four measures of money supply, namely M1, M2, M3 and M4 with the decreasing order of liquidity. M1 measurement. Currency notes plus net demand deposit with banks plus other deposits with RBI. Here, currency means currency held by public. Demand deposit is net demand deposit of the banks. Other deposit is other deposits held with the RBI. These are the deposits of World Bank, IMF, etc. M2 measurement. M2 is also narrow money. Besides all the components of M1 plus savings of the people with the post offices. is included in M2. M3 measurement. M3 is broad money. It is the most commonly used measure of money supply. It is M1 plus time deposits with commercial banks. And the last M4. It is M3 plus post office saving deposits. M3 plus post office saving deposits. These are the four measures of the money supply presented by the RBI. The four measures of money supply represented different degrees of liquidity, with M1 being the most liquid and M4 being the least liquid. M3 is widely used as measure of money supply, and it is also known as aggregate monetary resources of the society. M1 and M2 are generally known as narrow money supply concepts, whereas M3 and M4 are known as broad money supply concepts. Thank you.